vibration. Global vibration. Feel the rhythm across the nation. Different sound, one vibration. From the east to the west side, we all moving in the same tide. Different languages we speak, but the message still complete. Every heartbeat, every drum, telling us we all are one. No more borders in the mind, leave the separation behind. Every culture, every name, still we dancing to the same global vibration. Feel the sound, lift your spirit off the ground. One world moving as a one, dancing under the same sun. Global vibration, feel it rise. See the truth in every eye. Through the rhythm we unite, shining in a global light. From the streets to the skyline high, from the deserts to the ocean side. Every corner of the earth got a rhythm, got a word. Hear the drums in Africa, island breeze in Jamaica, city lights in Tokyo. Feel the vibe, let it flow. Different stories, different lives, but we share the same sunrise. Every voice, every sound, lift the people all around. Global vibration, feel the sound, lift your spirit off the ground. One world moving as one, dancing under the same sun. Feel it now, from the roots to the crown. Rise up, don't slow down. This the global sound. Oh, feel it now. No more fear, no more divide. Let the music be the guide. Every step, every move, to the universal groove. Hands up high to the sky, let the energy amplify. We don't need to be the same, we just share the same flame. Global vibration, loud and clear. Let the whole wide world now hear. Through the rhythm we are free. This is our reality. Global vibration, rising strong. This is more than just a song, it's a message we proclaim. We are one, we are the same. Global, global vibration. Global, one word. Global, one sound. Global vibration. Yeah. New day rising, feel the light, let it shine. Morning light on my window pane, washing away all the pain. Yesterday is gone for good, now I'm feeling like I should. Fresh air blowing through my soul, healing me and making me whole. Every step I take me to a brighter way. No more darkness, no more fear. I can feel the future near. Every moment feels so right. Walking straight into the light. Rise of the sun, here we go. Let the good vibes start to flow. New beginnings, new horizon. Feel the power of the rising sun. Rise of the sun, shining bright. Filling hearts with hope and light. Leave the past, just move on. Welcome to the rising sun. Golden sky and open road. Let go of the heavy load. Every dream is still alive. All you need is just to try. Hear the birds, feel the breeze. Life is simple, life is free. Every heartbeat tells me now, this is where I'm meant to be. Step by step I find my way. Living in a better day. No more doubt inside my mind. Only peace is what I find. Rise of the sun, here we go. Let the good vibes start to flow. New beginnings, new horizon. Feel the power of the rising sun. If you fall, just rise again. Through the joy and through the pain. Every sunrise brings a chance to begin a new romance. With your life, with your dream. Nothing's ever what it seems. Open up and you will see. You were always meant to be free. Shadows fading far away. Light is here and here to stay. Every color in the sky feels like hope is flying high. Take a breath and feel alive. This is how we truly thrive. In this moment I believe everything I need I receive. Rise of the sun, feel the flame. Every day is not the same. Through the light we carry on, dancing with the rising sun. Rise of the sun, strong and free. This is who we're meant to be. Let your spirit shine so bright. Walking fully in the light. Sunrise, new day. Feel the light. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah. Feel the rhythm. Feel the rhythm. Heartbeat. Let it move you. Feel it pounding in my chest tonight. Like a drum in the neon light. Every beat calling out your name. Nothing ever feels the same. When you move I lose control. Like a vibe is in my soul. Every step, every sway, pulling me a different way. No more thinking, just let go. Let the music take control. Every heartbeat, every sound. City lights and island breeze mixed together perfectly. In your eyes I see the spark shining bright into the dark. Hands together, side by side, feel the energy collide. No more space, no more time, everything just feels aligned. Close your eyes and feel it rise. No more need to analyze. Let the rhythm guide your way through the night into the day. Heartbeat rhythm, feel the flow. Let it take you nice and slow. Every beat is telling me you and I were meant to be. Move your body, don't hold back. Let the rhythm lead the track. Feel the bass line in your veins, washing away all the pain. Every heartbeat, every tone tells you that you're not alone. In this groove we come alive. Feel the music, feel the vibe. When the night begins to fade, still your rhythm never change. In my heart it always stays, echoing through all my days. Even when you're far away, I can feel it every day. Like a melody so true, always bringing me to you. Heartbeat rhythm, don't let go. This is something we both know. Through the sound we come alive. Feel the music, feel the vibe. Heartbeat rhythm, loud and clear. Every beat just draws you near. In this love we redefine. Your heartbeat next to mine. Heartbeat, rhythm, rhythm, rhythm. Feel it, feel it. Oh, look at the sky, full of dreams. Let it guide you. Oh, looking up at the midnight sky, stars are dancing way up high. Every light tells a story of hope, of love, of glory. In the silence I can feel something deep, something real. Every dream I hold inside now begins to come alive. No more doubt, no more fear. Everything is crystal clear. In the darkness I can see all I'm meant to be. Sky full of dreams tonight, shining with a guiding light. Every star is calling me to the place I'm meant to be. Sky full of dreams, so wide, no more need for me to hide. Through the night I secretly. Through the dark you'll find the way to a brighter day. Now I see it in my eyes, reflected in the endless skies. All the dreams I held so tight now are shining in the night. Nothing's ever out of reach if you practice what you preach. Believe in what you feel, that's the only thing that's real. Sky full of dreams shining bright, guiding me through every night. Now I know I'm meant to fly, reaching higher to the sky. Sky full of dreams set me free. This is who I'm meant to be. Through the light I finally see all my dreams inside of me. Dreams, sky, shine, shine. Fire, water, two forces, one soul. I got fire burning deep inside, like a flame I just can't hide. Through the struggle, through the pain, I keep dancing in the rain. But I got water in my soul, keeping me in full control, cooling down the wild inside, like the ocean deep and wide. Two sides living in my heart, pulling me in different parts, but together they create the balance I appreciate. Fire and water side by side, burning strong but flowing wide. Through the chaos, through the calm, I find peace within the storm. Fire and water, wild and free, that's the way it's meant to be. In the heat and in the wave, I find strength, I find my way. Sometimes I'm a blazing light, fighting through the darkest night. Standing tall, I won't back down, with the fire all around. Sometimes I just let it flow, like a river soft and slow, letting go of all the pain, washing clean like falling rain. When I lose my way again, one will rise, one will mend. Fire lifts me when I fall, water heals it all. Fire and water side by side, burning strong but flowing nothing's ever what it seems. Voices calling from the street, every step a different beat. Trying hard to find my way through the night into the day. No more chains around my soul, I won't let them take control. Every scar that I've been through made me stronger, made me true. This is the street of freedom, where we rise and we don't run. Through the struggle, through the fire, we become who we desire. Street of freedom, hear the sound. Lost souls finally being found. Through the pain we all believe, we were born to live free. Graffiti walls tell the truth, stories of the restless youth. Every corner, every cry, reaching up into the sky. No more silence, no more fear, we can feel the change is near. Hands up high, voices loud, standing strong within the crowd. Every step we take is real, every wound begins to heal. In the chaos we can find peace within a rebel mind. This is the street of freedom, where we rise and we don't run. Through the struggle, through the fire, we become who we desire. Rise up, don't slow down, wear your truth like a crown. Break free, stand tall, we were born to break the wall. Oh, oh, from the darkness we emerge, feel the power, feel the surge. Every soul that lost its way finds a light to guide the day. No more hiding who we are, we've been shining all along. Now we walk with open eyes, seeing truth beyond disguise. This is the street of freedom, where the lost and brave become one. Through the battle, through the night, we keep moving toward the light. Street of freedom, loud and clear, let the whole wide world now hear. We are rising, we believe, we were born to live free. Freedom, freedom, freedom. Street freedom. Rise up, rise up. Oh, 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 oh. Freedom, rise up, rise up. Oh, oh, rise up. Yeah, one world moving, feel the energy, unity in motion. Oh, no, 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 no. Yeah. Different roads, but we collide, walking side by side. Every step we take as one, underneath the same sun. Different voices, different sound, still we lift each other up from the ground. Every culture, reflects our humanity. Hear the laughter, feel the beat, dancing freely in the street. Every moment we create shows it's never too late. Every color, every creed, plant the love, that's what we need. Different paths that we've known lead us back to one home. Unity in motion, feel the flow. Let the whole wide world now know we are stronger when we stand together, hand in hand. One love, one love, one heart, one heart. Together we will never fall apart. Rise up, stand strong, stand strong. This is where we all belong. No more fear to hold us back. We're united on this track. Every step we take with pride, got the whole world on our side. Through the struggle we remain, turning loss into a gain. In this movement we believe we were born to live free. Yeah. Move, feel the groove, feel the groove. Unity in motion. Unity in motion. Unity in motion, loud and clear. Let the whole wide world now hear. Through the rhythm we are free. This is our reality. Unity in motion, shining bright, bringing people to the light. In this moment we define one world, one love, one mind. Unity in motion, one love, one world, one world, one world. Unity. Yeah. Feel the night, slow it down. Night pulse. City lights begin to glow, moving slow, let it flow. Midnight calling through the air, feel the rhythm everywhere. Shadows dancing on the wall, hear the bass line when it calls. Every heartbeat syncs with sound, lost but somehow feeling found. No more thinking, just feel. Let the moment become real. In the dark we come alive. Feel the energy, feel the vibe. Night pulse, take control. Feel the rhythm in your soul. Through the dark we let it flow. Let it take us nice and slow. Night pulse, deep and low, moving where the feelings go. In the silence we ignite, dancing through the night. Neon colors in my eyes, reflections of the midnight skies. Every step a soft escape from the rush we try to break. Whispers in the cooling breeze, bring the mind to perfect ease. In this moment we are free, just the night, the sound and me. Let it carry you away. No more words There's a force inside of me, ancient voices calling loud, through the silence, through the crowd. Every culture, every land, connected by a greater plan. In the wind I hear it call, there's a spirit in us all. No more distance, no more space. We are one in every place. Every heartbeat, every soul, moving to the same control. Spirit of the world, rise again, flowing through the hearts of men, through the fire, through the rain. We are one, we are the same. Spirit of the world, feel the light guiding us through darkest night. In this rhythm we believe there is more than we can see. Hear the drums in distant lands, feel the rhythm in your hands. Every step and every sound brings the healing all around. From the deserts to the streets, feel the pulse in every beat. Different paths but still we find we are one in heart and mind. Every language, every song tells us where we all belong. In the music we can see this is our reality. Spirit of the world, rise again, flowing through the hearts of men, through the fire, through the rain. We are one, we are the same. Close your eyes and you will feel something ancient, something real. Not a voice, but still it speaks, through the strong and through the weak. It's the truth we can't deny, living in the earth and sky, in the water, in the flame, calling out in every name. Now I see it in my soul, something bigger than control. Every breath a sacred sign, life and spirit intertwined. No more fear to walk alone. Every heart becomes a home. In this world we rise above, bound together through love. Spirit of the world, shining bright, leading us into the light. Through the struggle we remain, one in love, one in flame. Spirit of the world, hear the call. There's a place for one and all. In this life we finally see we are one eternally. Spirit, one love, one soul. One love, one soul. Yeah, from the start to the end, we keep the vibe forever. From the first step that we made, through the light and through the shade, every moment, every sound lifted us from off the ground. Through the highs and through the what we need. Through the music we can see who we're meant to be. Forever vibes, never fade. Every memory we made. Through the fire, through the way, we will carry on always. Forever vibes, strong and true. Every dream is coming through. In this moment we are free, living in eternity. All the nights we stayed awake, all the chances that we take, every tear and every smile made this journey all worthwhile. Different roads that led us here, now the vision's crystal clear. We don't need to look behind, all the answers we can find. Every lesson, every fall was the reason for it all. Now the story we create is a life we celebrate. Forever vibes, never fade. Every memory we made. Through the fire, through the way, we will carry on always. If the music ever stops, still the feeling never drops. It's alive inside our soul. That's the thing we can control.